Hey guys, I'm gonna play Clocks by Coldplay again because I felt like there was a little bit too much background noise. So hopefully this sounds a little better. I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna play it anyway. So, because I love Clocks by Coldplay, that was literally the first modern pop rock song I learned on piano. So yeah, I hope it sounds better, a little better maybe. We'll see. So yeah. Okay. So. Clocks by Coldplay. I did my own little, I like to play around to like go from like high level to, I sometimes like to do the left hand. Sometimes with clocks I'll try different variations sometimes and just experiment with it, and I'm still doing that. So I love the song so much and I love playing it. It's literally my favorite to play on piano and keyboard. So yeah, until I get a grand piano one day, maybe. That's my dream, just to get one day. I have enough room for it, so maybe. We'll see. I hope you guys like and subscribe if you want, or like, I don't care. I'm just posting my music, so playing music, and I love Coldplay, so I can also play other songs, other stuff too, which I will post too. So hope you guys like. Sorry if I messed up a little bit, or if it like if I seemed nervous or anything, or sorry if the camera's shaky. I literally don't have a really good spot to put my camera thingy on right now. It's literally, I have it propped up on my keyboard right now, so it's like, yeah. I will get a tripod or something later. So yeah, hope you guys like Clocks by Coldplay. Paige Ashley. Bye.